Wagwan family. So today may I share with you how I make a steak and vegetables loaded potato both. First I peel the potato them and scoop out the inside with a ice cream scoop. Just like that, you just need to scrape it out. Now I'm going to fry them and I fry them for like 8 minutes. Now I'm going to flip them over. After 4 minutes I flip them over. Now I take them out. It's already 8 minutes. Put them to drain. Now I'm sauteing my steak and I season the steak with my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. Now I add some onions, some scallions, some garlic, piece of thyme, some sweet peppers. Now I'm just gonna saute up this for like 4 minutes. Then I add some broccoli. I already steamed the broccoli before I add it to it. Now I'm making my cheese sauce, some heavy cream, my Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, and some cheese, some cheddar cheese. Now that me finish the cheese sauce, me just going to stuff the potato them with the steak and vegetables. I add the creamy cheese sauce on top of it also. So to the top, me add some cheddar cheese. Yeah man, just like that, put it in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how it look. So to the plate, I add some cheese sauce for the base before I put the potato them down on the plate. Here I add some chimichurri sauce. Yeah man, look at this my people. Nice and tasty. Make sure to try this recipe. All the ingredients below the video. Peace out.